All right, Team Amazing. We are here to talk about SMART goals. We are setting up for 2024. We are going to go in with a mindset of I will, not someday, I will in a specific amount of time. I will do exactly this. We're not going to have excuses. We are going in with I will. So let me share my screen and get up. And I want to just share with some of you who may not have created SMART goals before. This is going to be a quick video just before we do our dream boards. But I would like you guys to think about when you're setting those goals, whether they are business or personal or just self-development, however they are, I want you to keep these in mind. You have to be specific. I will reach premier, which is $5,000 sold in a year. So right there, you said I'm specifically, I will reach premier. Measurable. Premier is $5,000 sold in a year. We will break that down into how much you need to sell each campaign. Is your goal attainable? Absolutely, that one is attainable. You can reach Premier in 26 campaigns that we have open to us in 24. I'm doing the calculations real quick. So $193 a campaign. I will reach Premier by campaign 26 by getting $193 each campaign. I have 26. So it is attainable, relevant. It is relevant to my business because then I will begin earning 30% when I reach this goal and through to 2025. So it is very relevant to my business. Time bound. Yes, I said I will reach it by campaign 26. That is the very latest that I would be able to reach this goal. Now, if we wanted to change this to another goal, say we want to work on our self-development, I will read 5 self-development books by let's see, let's do by July. That gives us 7 months to read 5 books. Okay, so we have been specific. We are measurable. Is it attainable? Do you have time to read 5 books in 7 months? That's up to you. That is completely, you need to say if that is attainable for you. Is it relevant? Self-development books are very relevant to our jobs or our personal being. So I will read 7 or 5 new books in the next 7 months. And time bound right there, 7 months. So we are giving ourselves exactly what we're going to do, what and how long we're going to have ourselves to do it, and is it attainable? If 5 books are not attainable, then take it down to 4. What is your attainable? That is just a suggestion. Specific. Okay, let's say another direction. Let's say I want to um lose weight. Everybody always puts that on there, right? So specific. I want to lose 25 pounds. Specific. So 25 pounds, that is measurable because I can get on a scale and see if I lost 25 pounds. What is attainable? What is a attainable time to lose 25 pounds? I want to lose 25 pounds by summer. So let's say by June 1st. Is 25 pounds attainable by then? Yes, it is if I want to work for it, right? I want to work for it. So I will. And is it relevant to my health? Yes, it is. It is relevant to my life. It is relevant to my health. And it is time bound because I said by June 1st. So that is what you're looking for when you're making goals. Make sure that they are smart, that they are within reach, and that they are something that you want in your life. Another one is, okay, financial. Let's say you have a credit card. I will pay off one credit card that is $500. I'm going with it, guys. $500 by June 1st. Is that attainable? Well, $500 by June 1st gives me 5 full months to do that. So that would break down to $100 a month that I need to earn. Is it relevant? It is relevant to my financial situation. So yes, it would be relevant. It would be a goal. And then time bound, I'd said by June 1st. We are being specific when we are making our goals. Want to grow your business. Specific. I will contact 5 new people 3 times a week to talk about my business. So that'll be 15 people a week that I'm going to talk to my business about. Measurable. Okay, 15 people, 5 people, 3 days a week. I'm going to talk to them. Is it attainable? You can fit that into your life. Can you fit that in? You have to make a decision of how much you want to work to grow your business. So is that attainable for you? Can you contact 15 people a week? Is it relevant to your business? Absolutely. If you want to grow your business, you need to say, I will. No excuses. I will contact 15 people a week, whether it's my current customers or new customers. I will talk to 15 people a week to keep my business going and growing. And then time bound, I am going to do this through May 1st. And then I will reassess where I'm at, if I need to lower that number, if I need to adjust that number, if I want to go stronger, or if it's just out of my reach. So we will say, well, actually, let's do January, February, March. That's first quarter, the end of March. Let's make goals for the end of March. So what are you going to do in your first quarter? So you're going to contact 5 people 3 times a week. And you're going to continue to do that consistently. I will consistently contact 15 people a week. I will talk to them about my business, whether it is my current or new customers, and I will reassess this, and I will do this through my first quarter. So through March 31st. That's what I would say when you're doing your goals. Let's do our first quarter. Let's take it in chunks. So what do you say do you want your goals to be? Financially, I want it to be, if you're working with me on your dream board, I would love to see business. I would love to see personal, whether that's financial, self-development, um, health, anything like that. I would love to see those on there also. And I would also love to see some kind of learning. What are you going to learn? And in an extra bonus, I would like to also say, what are you going to learn or step out of your comfort zone and do in this first quarter of the year to grow your business? Because I do want this to rotate back to your Avon. I want the others in there, but I want it to come back to your Avon business. So what are you willing to step outside your comfort zone to do? I will pass out 10 brochures a campaign. So specific. I'm taking 10 brochures. So 10 is the measurement. It is attainable because I can purchase 10 brochures for $6. I'm investing back in my business and I am going to hand them out personally to 10 people each campaign. So that is 10 people every campaign that you're going to talk to new, or say 5 of them will be new. I won't, how much and how fast do you want to grow? You make the attainable. What can you do? What are you going to push for? So I will get 5 new people and 5 current people with brochures in their hands. I will follow up with them and I will do this through the campaigns through the end of March because we're doing it first campaign. And then we're going to reassess at the end of the quarter. How about that? So if you are doing your dream board with me, or if you are doing your goal setting with me, take on the challenge, guys. I'm going to have a meeting on, it looks like January 5th at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're on my team, you will have the link. If you are not on my team, you will see a recording of this, or and you can work through it with us on the 6th. You'll be able to see the video. So even if you're not on my team and you want to be a part of this, just go ahead and write those down. And on the 6th, you will walk through this with us on a special workshop of making a dream board with specific SMART goals, putting them on that dream board and making it happen in 2024. I wish all of you the best. I can't wait to work with you. And you guys, let's make 2024 the best it can be.